बेहद की परम शांति. Welcome to our channel Bapuji Deshrat by Patel. Bapuji is explaining the stage of soul after death. Param Shanti. After death, where did human soul goes? I already told so many times, souls always follows Antimati Sogati. Means, soul attains whomever he remembers at the time of death. Whomever he remembers with his intellect, at the time of death, he attains them. If his intellect got stuck with body and bodily relations, he becomes a ghost and sits in the house. If his intellect is with his favorite deity like Vishnu, he goes to Vishnupuri. But only on doing a lot of devotion and having karmatit stage, he can go to Vishnupuri. If he remembers Brahma, he goes to Brahmapuri. If he remembers Indra, he goes to Indra. Only on having karmatit stage. If he doesn't have karmatit stage and have karmic bondages, then again he has to come in the cycle of birth and death. If he remembers Parabrahma Parameshwar, he can reach his incorporeal world. The main thing is, if he has karmic bondages, he can't come to upper planes or upper dimensions. And again he gets stuck in the web of the cycle of birth and death. In path of devotion, they says, if we do good, good happens to us. If we do bad, bad happens to us. Yes, it's correct. Everything will get recorded in causal body. Where do soul go after its death? If it is a good soul and has no karmic bondages, means light, it goes above dimensions slowly. If he knows the divine knowledge, then soul becomes reclusive with this gross world and he comes to know this is a deadly world. On doing a lot of penance, it goes to above dimensions like second plane to third plane and from there to fourth plane. What is the aim of soul? Where it has to reach? To achieve its aim, how much divine knowledge is there? First important thing is knowledge. Only with knowledge, soul can know its aim, that where I have to go. Soul can reach only up to its original stage. That means where its creation was done. For example, if soul was created with 16 celestial, it can reach us up to 16 celestial. If it is created by 20 celestial, it can reach up to 20 celestial. But to achieve that, a lot of austerity and penance have to be done. It's not that easy. That's why soul follows Antimati Sogati.